my channel. So as you may already know, we made it to the top 20 and this is my unboxing video. So I have a little helper here, right here, hidden nose, sleeping next to me. She will help me unbox and see what's inside. But before, I want to say big thanks for the NYX for this amazing contest, for the great chance for all creative people to show their talents, for this amazing boost for creativity, and also want to thank all who was encouraging me and supporting to take a try, because all the time I was watching this contest, streaming, and I was thinking it's something beyond, just beyond my real life. And thanks to all who say just go and try. This is happening, this is reality. We made it to the top 20, oh my god. And now we'll see what's inside this huge and heavy box. Yep, not yet? You excited? Are you excited? So are you ready? Are you ready? She's ready. I'm ready. We are ready, yeah? Ready! Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Okay, I see the letter. Black letter. I think we must check out this first. Ooh, there's a letter. Okay. Okay, this is a challenge 1. Next. Wow, congratulations! We are happy to announce that you have made it into the FACE Awards Baltics 2019 Top 20. Oh my gosh, so amazing. So let's dive in. Are you curious? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, just look what inside. Okay, this is something big and huge. I assume I can, yeah, Noriell, I can attach it. And this is, wow, yes, I can attach it to my body and put all my brushes in. Amazing. I'm happy. I'm happy. Let's dive in. Be Gone makeup removing wipes. It's totally life-saving thing when you're doing such a makeup. Oh right, Vivid Brights Noriell colored liquid liner for more creativity. Garnier from the sponsors, Hyaluronic Aloe Jelly. This is good thing after all that heavy makeups. We'll definitely try it. So let's dive in. Oh my god, this is my lovely thing. I'm using it a lot and so happy to have it again. Oh my god, oh my god, liquid lashes, Noriell. Can you see? So dramatic. Let's see. Oh my god, this soft matte lip cream for more creative things. Pigments. So much things inside. Noriell, can you see? What is this? Noriell, I think you would love it, but you can't eat because you're a dog. Sweet hell, I love you. Wow, smells so good. Sorry, can't resist. Noriell. sweet and sour. Amazing. Oh, sorry, I can't give you. Okay, let's move on. Oh, there's so much things inside. So whipped charcoal cleanser. After all that heavy makeups, this is definitely what I will need. You are thinking about everything. Can't stop, won't stop. Powder foundation. Oh my god, vivid colors again. That's so cool for all creative things and precise details. Amazing. Let's move. Oh my god, my dream. I wanted this so bad. Now I have a lot of colors. Oh my god, thanks. So insane. Pigments. I love pigments and I think there is more of them. Oh my god. No, this is a glitter. Foil play. Oh my god, so much things. Also pigments. Amazing, all amazing colors. Speechless, I think. Okay, what's there? This is things from a sponsor, Matrix. Oh, this is a shampoo and conditioner. So, oh my gosh, born to glow. I love illuminizers. And so amazing colors. Noriell. Can you believe I can't? Oh my god, another matte finish. Long lasting. This is something new. Setting spray. Damn, so cool. I will definitely try this. Oh my god. Cream contouring palette. I'm also using this. I'm in love with this product. This is so just amazing. It's everything what you need in your life. Thank you. Oh, so nice, shining. So this is also from a gift from the partners, Garnier. This is micellar cleansing water and oil. Damn, it is amazing. It's much easier to remove all this mess on your face with the oil inside. This will help me like a lot. Thanks. Wow, another lashes, and even more dramatic. My god, I'm always wanted to try lashes from NYX. Oh, what you can also feel it right again. Can't stop, won't stop. I needed it so badly. Thanks, NYX. Wow. So this is something new. This is foil play. A new kind of pigment. Moving on. So, soft matte lip cream. Wow. Okay. Oh my god, can't stop, won't stop. Once again. It's a little bit darker. Oh my god, there is another one. Oh. Soft matte lip cream. Micro brow pencil. Oh yeah. Color correcting palette. Can't stop, won't stop. Once again. And this one is much lighter, so I can make some vampire stuff. Duochromatic illuminating powder from NYX. This is kind of lipstick, matte lipstick. Oh my god, so amazing design. Oh my god, it smells so good. Yeah, and the color is so amazing. I'm in heaven. Prime base. Hey, this is interesting. Primer spray. I never used that before, but always wanted. Yeah. Moving on. So, Vivid Brights once again. Wow, another lipstick and another lipstick from this. Duochromatic. Oh my god, enough illuminating powder again, and I think there is some more color. So insane. I can't believe there is so much things. NYX, you are just insane. This is really such a huge boost for creativity. You can't, guys, even imagine what does it mean for creators. Oh my god, I was dreaming about these things. Oh no, don't say it. Can't stop, won't stop with yet another color. You are, guys, really insane. And with yet another color. It's just insane. Guys, you are crazy and wonderful. Thanks. Oh, this is from Matrix. This is a mask. This is hey, this is a hair mask. Yeah, I need to take care about my hair because it always look like warriors. Vivid Brights once again. This one, Micro Brow Pencil once again, and once again lipstick. Such amazing colors, can you see? You won't believe, but there is another Can't Stop, Won't Stop with another color. And another lashes. Oh my god, they are so dramatic. So amazing pigments. Another lipstick, beautiful color. Oh yeah, Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer. I always want to try this one. So happy that now I have a chance. Yes. Noriell. Are you happy? You don't care, yes? Oh, another color. So cool. Creating on the spot makeup brush. Hey, the brush cleaner. Oh my god, this thing I just needed badly. And you are thinking really about everything, not only to apply makeup but to remove and clean in between and take care about skin and everything. You are just insane, guys. Another lashes, yay! These one are cool. Oh my god, another body paint. Ooh, yeah. Okay, moving on. There's still another lipstick. Vivid Brights once again. Okay, Micro Brow Pencil once again. So crazy, so much colors, so much shades. Yeah, you're giving such a freedom for creativity, guys. This is insane. Ooh, wow. Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer with a darker. And oh wow, and then lipstick. Liquid liner, this is what I'm using like a lot and I can't live without, and will definitely save my days. Can't Stop, Won't Stop with yet another color. Illuminator with yet another color. Yet another color. Eyeshadow base. Oh my god. Once again, I wanted to try this. Yes, thank you. And oh my gosh, can you see that? Noriell, can you see that? Shiny things. This is like tattoo and it's from Wing. This is a temporary tattoo and crystals. Alright. This will help, I think, a lot. Oh no, don't say it's true. Really, guys? Wow. So I will have colors to just color all my life. And this is it. We did it. Noriell, we did it. This could be a nice home for you, don't you think? So guys, I'm kinda speechless. I'm shocked with this amount of things I got from you and from sponsors, and I want to say once again thanks very much for NYX and for the sponsors for these awesome things and for a chance to be there and create and inspire others. So I think I'll finish here. Stay creative, guys, stay inspired, and see you in the future in the next video. Bye. Are you happy? Are you happy that you got so much cosmetics? I think you don't care.